We here at Los Angeles Mission College take sanitation very seriously. Our motto is sanitation first. Sanitation at home is exactly the same as sanitation in the kitchen laboratory. It's the same principles that apply: hand washing, personal hygiene, time temperature abuse, cross-contamination. It's all the same. Take it away, Chef.
Safety and sanitation first. Hand washing with the sanitizing soap and hot water is the best way to keep yourself and your family safe. Washing hands for at least 20 seconds. Take it away, Chef.
Thanks, Chef. Yes, sanitation first. Clean your countertops with soap and water, and then follow the manufacturer's direction for household sanitizers such as bleach. The safety of the people you cook for is in your hands. Here you go, Chef.
Thank you, Chef. Appreciate that. Remember, keep cold food cold and hot food hot. Cold food below 41 degrees and hot food above 135 degrees. Also, you can call the local health department for further information, or the CDC, the Center for Disease Control, at cdc.gov. On behalf of the Los Angeles Mission College Culinary Arts Institute, stay safe, stay healthy, and thank you for watching.